Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week we're talking about maximizing efficiency and time management strategies you can implement at your repair shop. Effective time management is probably the most crucial for success in the automotive repair business. With the constant influx of vehicles and a myriad of tasks demanding attention, auto repair shop owners and technicians need innovative strategies to streamline operations. In today's video, we will explore time management techniques tailored to the unique challenges of auto repair shops and highlight scheduling tools and software that can revolutionize appointment management and workflow. Prioritize and delegate. Auto repair shops often handle a diverse range of services, from routine maintenance to complex repairs. To optimize time, it's essential to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Delegate responsibilities according to each team member's strengths, ensuring that everyone is working on tasks that align with their expertise. This approach not only increases efficiency, but also enhances job satisfaction and morale among the team. Implement lean processes. Adopting lean principles can significantly improve time management in auto repair shops. Identify and eliminate unnecessary steps in your workflow, reducing wasted time and resources. Implementing a 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, can help organize the workspace, minimize clutter, and enhance overall efficiency. Digital work orders and documentation. Transitioning from paper-based work orders to digital systems can save considerable time. Digital work orders and documentation systems reduce the risk of errors, streamline communication, and enable quick access to essential information. Technicians can easily update work orders, access vehicle history, and share notes with colleagues, leading to faster decision-making and enhanced collaboration. Smart scheduling tools. Investing in advanced scheduling tools can revolutionize the way appointments are managed in auto repair shops. Consider software that allows customers to book appointments online, providing flexibility for both clients and the shop. Automated reminders can reduce no-shows, while optimized scheduling ensures a balanced workload for technicians, preventing bottlenecks and delays. Real-time communication platform. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful auto repair shop. Implementing real-time communication platforms can improve coordination among team members. Whether it's through instant messaging, project management apps, or collaboration tools, staying connected allows for quick problem solving, reducing downtime, and improving overall efficiency. Continuous training and skill development. Investing in the continuous training and skill development of your team can pay dividends in time management. Well-trained technicians are more likely to diagnose and resolve issues efficiently, reducing the time spent on each job. Regular training sessions also keep the team updated on the latest technologies and repair techniques, ensuring they work with precision and confidence. Effective time management in auto repair shops requires a combination of strategic planning, streamlined processes, and the integration of advanced tools and technologies. By prioritizing tasks, embracing lean principles, and leveraging digital solutions, auto repair shops can optimize their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and stay ahead in an ever-evolving industry. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos to help your repair shop reach its greatest potential.